This is part 3 of the video tutorial on the flowers assignment at North Hennepin as part of CSI 1130-91. Now that we have our flower, we're going to focus on adding text, a textual description, as well as how we go about starting our second flower. Let's begin. So now we will close this applet window. We will go to the bottom of our code, and on the next line, let's make our text brown. g2d.setColor color.brown. Okay. Oop, I did not do that quite right. Oh, I guess dot. Okay, maybe they do not have brown in Java's given colors, so let's just do pink. Oop. Pink. Now let's add text. So g2d dot set fonts. Yep. So then first we go about choosing we'll have a string which will be the type of font. So we could do Times New Roman. And then we're going to need the style. So we will do, it should be, I need to look at my other one that I made. It should be, oh, new font. Okay, so, so it should have really been new font, and then Times New Roman, Times New Roman, and then it should be font dot, okay, so then font dot, let's do this, bold, and then let's do it at 14 size. Now we need to do our text string. I'd recommend placing this above the first flower. So let's see here. We start the first flower at get width 2 minus 710. So we could do it exactly above that. So g2d dot draw string, and then the string is just going to be a description, or the name of the flower in the description. So you could just do, because it's a made up flower, it could just be like square, circle, flower, or something, or rectangular circle, flower, that's not how you spell rectangle, rectangle, circle, flower, and then this flower is made up of a rectangle and a circle. And then you're going to want to, all you need to do is you need to specify the width and the height. So get width, you're going to want to, you can use like the same one that you did for the oval and rectangle. So minus 710. And then you want to make sure that the height is above the height of the rectangle circle flower itself. So in order to make sure of that, I'm going to do get height divided by 2 and I'll just subtract 100. And then let's see if this prints to the screen. And the text indeed did print to the screen. It's a little light. It's a little far up. We can fix that. I didn't think about that. I forgot that pink would be kind of light. You know what, let's just do a new color. So, new color, I'm just typing in random ones so then I can pull up this color wheel. Yeah, we want something dark, so maybe I'll just do that one. And then I think it should be moved down, just it would look better. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to change this to 25. Let's see if how this looks. Okay, that looks a lot better. That looks way better. And, there's ways too, it's not very, like it might go into the next flowers, this description. So what you want to do is you want to have multiple drawstring statements and just separate up those strings so then you can do like rectangular circle flower and then maybe this flower is made up on the next line and then the line after that it can be of a rectangle and a circle. Like that. And for fonts, you're required to use at least 2 different fonts, and there are the fonts that are listed. There are like 4 main fonts listed in the textbook. However, there are additional fonts that are compatible in Java that can be found online, like Times New Roman, for example. Okay, so then, now that we have this first flower, we have our description, in order to add our second flower, we can just use the same class. We can put it in the flowers class too. We just have to make sure that it's right next to the first one. Well, it doesn't, what am I saying? It doesn't need to be next to the first one. As long as it's on the applet, that's all that matters. And to start creating that, just remember that you're just going to do another stem. And then you can pick, you know, if you want the flower to look like an arc shape, or maybe a polygon. It's really up to you, as long as you use all the skills that Charlie specified here. That's really the gist. I mean, for the stem, yeah, just make sure it's spaced over enough from the first flower. And, yeah, that is the flowers tutorial. Thank you.